excuses. Hold on. With the bitches, I don't get it. You're a star love. You shouldn't have to deal with that. I'll never make you feel like that. I love me. I love me enough for the both of us. That's why you trust me. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel. Did you make it way too hard to think?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cachea and I'm back here with another video. If you're new here, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. As y'all probably seen, I already did my morning routine. I'm actually off today, so I did a little planning this morning. I made my pink drink and I also took my Magic Mind. If you guys been keeping up with me and watching my last couple vlogs, then you know that I've been talking about how much Magic Mind has been getting me back on track and keeping me so focused. Love, love, love Magic Mind. If you don't know what Magic Mind is, it's like a little matcha energy shot. Boosts your energy, it helps you relax, it keeps you focused, has agave, matcha, all that type of stuff. It's a herbal supplement. I really love this. I stand by this. I've been using it for the past couple weeks now and it's been working really good for me. I received 15 of them and that was my last one. Definitely check them out. I will leave them linked down below. For the girls that want to save some money, use Cacheamonet to receive 56% off your first subscription. I stand by Magic Mind. If y'all struggling with getting back focused or just being on track, anything like that, definitely check them out. So yeah, that is my morning. Right now I'm just going to do some stuff around the house, fold my clothes, get some stuff done. This is how my day is going. It's Tuesday morning, so yeah, we getting on track to fold some clothes and I'll show y'all that. Hey y'all, please don't mind this scarf. Oh my god, my hair is about ready to come out. Like, my hair is coming out the braids. It's time. But today is Tuesday. As y'all seen, I just folded up some clothes. And yeah, it's a couple days after Easter. I'm not sure what I'm gonna eat today because I've been yesterday I had leftovers from Easter, so I gotta figure out what I'm gonna eat today. Just finished planning, just finished folding. I really need to clean my beauty room and I really need to film a haul, but then again I kind of want my hair done before I do that because I have these braids. Really, I didn't have these braids for long, but my real hair just does not do well with braids. Like, if y'all seen my roots, oh my god, they grow so much. I don't know what else to do because I actually like braids, but my hair just doesn't do well with them at all. So I don't know, I struggle with hairstyles, like seriously. If it's not my real hair, then again, my real hair does not last past a week or two. It gets oily, like it's just a mess. So whatever. But yeah, I'm not doing anything right now, but I decided to get up and do something and be productive because y'all, I don't know what's been up with me, but I have not when I say not been productive, I have not been productive. This vlog is gonna be part of the weekend. Also, we had really fun this weekend. I went bowling. I don't know if I took y'all bowling, but we went out to eat, we went bowling, we did a few things. So yeah, this weekend was fun. Along with Easter and everything, Kenya ended up cooking at home, so yeah, that was nice. But yeah, I feel like I'm just rambling, but I honestly haven't talked to y'all in so long. I also have on my Forever the Brand. So comfy, so cute. The link will be down below if you want to check us out. But yeah, I guess I'll pick y'all back up when I'm doing something, because right now I'm not doing anything. I kind of want to record a reel like of makeup and tag makeup brands, because I feel like I want to get more, I want to start getting makeup sponsorships too. So yeah, I'm thinking about doing that. But like I said, I really get out of the funk of doing things if my hair isn't done. So I really need to get my hair done. That's like number one. So I'm gonna get that done probably this weekend when I have time, because for the rest of this week I'm gonna be busy. So yeah, I left my tripod in the freaking car, but please don't mind covering all of that. But I seen these chips the other day at the store. They're flaming hot Cool Ranch. Am I late? Because I feel like I never knew about these. Let me know if y'all know about these, because I didn't. I know they had the flaming hot regular ones, but Cool Ranch? Oh baby, y'all have to try these buzz. So they'll be so good with some Chipotle. I need to get me some Chipotle today, because 10 out of 10. These have to be new, because I promise I've never seen these before. I don't know. Let me know. Hey, everybody looking put I five. Hey y'all, I feel like I haven't talked to y'all in forever. I actually started recording when I had like first got my braids done, and then I stopped. So there's that. But we back. Y'all, I don't know, I just be going through these little burnouts and I don't even be posting, so it's weird, but whatever. We're back, we're here. This is gonna be like a weekend vlog, because where's the videos? I need to be posting. So yeah, we're about to go get food right now. It's Friday. I believe it's already April. Like, let's talk about it. I probably only posted like 3 videos this year, and it's been 4 months into the year. Like, time, one thing about time, it flies. Okay, time flies. But about to go get something to eat. I just did my makeup. I didn't do much, just like a light base. I was putting on foundation, and then in the middle of putting on foundation, I decided I didn't want to wear foundation, so I took it off. So yeah, we concealing it out. I don't know, I always lose my lip liner. Like, I don't understand it. But yeah, let me get dressed, and yeah, I'll talk to y'all in a minute. Hey y'all, so I didn't finish vlogging yesterday. I suck. Literally, I suck. We didn't really do nothing. We were supposed to go get Mexican food, which were, please don't mind the garbage is in the bag. Oh my god. We were supposed to go get Mexican food, and we ended up going to Red Lobster. Hey girl. Hi. You look cute. Thank you. We ended up vlogging. Yeah, finally, right? We having a party over here for real.
Yes, I saw like a lot. They probably having an Easter egg kind of some shit, because I saw plenty of kids.
Somebody else's decision. We ended up at Red Lobster yesterday. It was absolutely disgusting. I would never do that again. But anyway, today we're actually gonna go get Mexican, and we're gonna go bowling. So that's the plans. And I got this new sticky thing, y'all, and I'm feeling it, because I'm just rolling and it's not moving. I like that. I like that. So yeah, that's the vibes for today. That's the vibes. We're gonna have a ghetto member with us today, and I'm gonna get them on the vlog, so y'all have a little entertainment, because this vlog I have to get posted literally tomorrow, and I have nothing in this vlog, so we're gonna figure this out. We're gonna figure it out. Okay, so I'll see y'all in a minute. So we we made it to Botanas and we're about to go inside. So yeah, I'll show y'all once we get in. A little ghetto.
It's Keyrex _1 on Instagram. Look me up. What's up, motherfuckers? What's up, YouTube? We're back with another freaking video.
Cheers, everybody. Put this up here. Sis, push your finger.
Wait, hold on.
You can't touch it. Y'all are worried about the wrong shit. You just cannot touch.
Good looking, my boy.
One flew the vaccine, check the box kind of conversation to a T. Right there.
Come on.
Bro, now I don't got shit. She ain't got shit. Ain't shit. We got a whole load and then I'm gonna put my shit in a cup and we're gonna go.
Camera is dying, but I'm here sitting at the table doing my makeup because my beauty room is a disaster, as you guys could probably see in the back of me, because for one, I'm packing up. For the camera died, I was telling you guys it's time to get the fuck up out of here. I guess I'll talk about it more in like a get ready with me, because I haven't really told y'all that I'm wanting to move. That's why the back of me looks like that. But I just wanted to come on here to tell y'all that it's really nice outside. I think it's like, it's 74 degrees right now, which here in Wisconsin, I mean, this weather is like, you only get it a month out of a year. Like, it's crazy. So yeah, I'm just doing something to my face to look a little bit alive, because I've been looking dead. I want to do hookah today. I got a hookah at home. I could just go get the stuff, really. I should either go get the stuff, or we have one place here that has hookah. So yeah, that's the vibe. So I'm just doing something to my face because I want to go get some ice cream and just get out the house. So yeah, I wanted to show y'all these lashes that I got from Amazon, because if you guys don't know, when I get extensions I usually use 14 mm. My length is usually 14. I just love really short lashes on me. I don't really like the long look, and that's just on me personally. I think it looks really good on other people, but not on me. So I always get like 14, 15 when I do get my lashes done. I'm using this Maybelline, what color is this? Ice. But yeah, I found some strips 14 mm and they're like mink. They're so cute, so let me go grab them. These are it right here. I'll link them down below, or link them in my Amazon storefront, which should be linked down below. But I wore these already. They're so cute. I have lash extensions on right now, but they're not as full as I would like them. So I always like add a strip once my lashes fall out. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do now. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put these on and then I'll talk to y'all probably in the car or something. So hi guys, so I finally made it out the house. My camera kind of look, hold on. My camera kind of look blurry, but it probably is just the sun. I'm sure if y'all can see me because the sun is out, y'all. Hopefully it'll get better. But I put my lashes on, as y'all can see. I love these lashes. Like I said, I'll link them down below. They're so cute. Love them, love their life. I love these little sticky pads that I got too for the camera. I will leave these also linked down below, because I don't know, the tripod thing just wasn't doing it for me, so I never put it back up once I took it off. So now I'm using this. I like a more flatter surface and y'all can see me better. But yeah, I don't know what we're about to do. We're about to probably get ice cream or crumble, something sweet, preferably. I don't know. And we also need something to eat. So I'm kind of feeling like I want some tacos. Really want some corn, the Mexican corn. And no, that's over by the south side. Be back to y'all because one, the sun is sunny. So I'll get back to y'all in a second.